My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called ransomware. Ransomware is a special ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. However, unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. The ransomware encrypts files and then appends a special extension to the file names. By the way, the extension is called encrypted. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the computer screen, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid in order to decrypt these files that are appended with this ransomware extension. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money. Don't pay that ransom. We strongly urge you to immediately remove this ransomware. We recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start examining the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected from all sorts of other malware or ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner will also protect your data with its anti-ransomware feature. It does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data in the future. So consider the premium license to make sure your data is always protected.